My name is Krista, and this is my ClearChoice story.
Happiness is only a cupcake away.
I've been baking for 4 years on my own out of the kitchen. We do custom cakes.
Do you want to help me with this part? Yeah. There we go.
Her cupcakes are, oh my gosh, yum. She's such an amazing human being. She fiercely loves her family, her friends, strangers. She'll make little care packets and she'll, feed the homeless. She incorporates that with her children. I mean, she's really an incredible human being.
So I have 3 kids. Tina's 13, Brooke is 10, Levi is 3. Woo! Good job, Brooke. When I was younger, my teeth weren't that bad, but when I got pregnant with my daughter Brooke, that's when things really started going bad. One of my front teeth right out here actually broke. It broke off. It just spread. It went pretty quick. I have a partial. This is my partial. So here it is, my fake teeth. Without the partial is this. It's embarrassing. Not only does this not look pretty, but it's painful.
So Krista is a family friend of mine. She has beautiful eyes, beautiful soul, but I just didn't see that smile. She was struggling through that, but hiding it, kind of putting up a wall and really, putting her kids ahead of herself. And a lot of moms, they really put themselves second and their children first. So the kids get the dental checkups. And mom, of course, she's the one taking care of the kids and doesn't necessarily have the time to invest in herself.
I definitely put my kids before myself. And I was like, this has got to change. I have to put myself first. Something has to be done. The first time I went in was because of my friend Laura. She works there, and she was like, girl, just come in. Let's give you a free consultation. And after I talked to everybody, and I'm like, yeah, this is what I want. This is most definitely what I want. Who doesn't want this,
She had a lot of teeth that they were failing. She was hopeless. She didn't know that there could be something that could give her a beautiful smile, and that could be something permanent, that she didn't have to end up in a denture.
It's life-changing. It's gonna help me reach my goals. It's gonna be healthier and feel better. Just show my kids. I'm not gonna cry right now. I'm just not gonna do that, but it just feels so good. Just like hope.
How are ya?
Good.
Good to see you with everything. I am so excited for you today.
I just love to appreciate you all that.
I think I have the wrong room.
I don't know we're not.
Gorgeous.
Good. We have
Gorgeous.
All
right.
Oh my gosh.
You got some teeth.
So pretty. Gosh, you look thank you so much.
I swear to God, I almost cried. She has this beautiful personality. She's a happy person. Now she has the smile that allows her to just be her. Oh, it's our pleasure. It's our pleasure, really.
Oh, you're so welcome. Thanks for letting me do it, okay?
So to be able to see her smile and have that confidence, she deserves it,